Hello people, welcome to Himanshi's World, and today I'll be teaching you how to make cabbage and peas vegetable. For this vegetable we will need one big cabbage chopped. I have here sliced the cabbage, half a cup of peas, two big tomatoes chopped, one big chili chopped, mustard seeds, garam masala powder, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and some asafoetida. So let's make cabbage and peas vegetable. So I have heated the pressure cooker. This vegetable I'll be making in pressure cooker. I'll put in a big tablespoon of oil in it. The pressure cooker is already heated up, so the oil is also heated up. Now I'll be putting in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and stir it. Let it sprinkle. Then I'll be adding one pinch of asafoetida. It's also called hing in India. When the mustard seeds splatter, I'll put all the washed cabbage in. I have put in the gas on high flame. So we will be cooking it for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Mix it. We will cook this for 5 minutes, and after that we will adding tomatoes in it. Look at this now. After cooking it on high flame for 5 minutes, it has lost some of its water, and it has reduced in size. So we'll now adding tomatoes. All of the tomatoes we'll add. We'll add peas also, the green chilies, and the dry spices. I'll be adding first the salt, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we'll mix it, and we'll continue cooking it for additional 5 minutes, and mix it once in a while. So guys, it's been 5 minutes now, so I'll be putting the lid on and cook it for 2 minutes, 2 whistles, and after the 2 whistles I'll let the switch gas off, and then I will see what happens next. Right, it's been 5 minutes, and after 2 whistles I have opened the cooker, and we'll now switch the gas on. So as you can see, some of the water has been evaporated, and now I'll be adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder in it, and mix this in. And cook this for 5 minutes. So guys, it's been 5 minutes, and all of the water, as you can see, it's been dried up, and now the vegetable of cabbage is ready. and we'll serve it now. So viewers, as you can see, our cabbage and peas vegetable is ready, and now I'll serve it with coriander leaves on top, and you can have it with naan and paratha and fulka. So thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Bye.